Is it because of Mace KFO laugh?
That is exactly what I was gonna ask.
No, it's not. I just don't think he's as cringe.
I'm clipping that.
No.
Oh. It's just sneezing is attractive. I'm clipping that.
Don't.
I might just not even finish the video and we'll add. What a way!
Stop.
What are you doing?
I don't even know, dude. Just impossible to dodge.
Too early.
Oh my, there's no time to heal, she just charges you. Wait, I was alive?
You just stood there.
I died.
I was so confused.
Wait, did you know I was alive?
Yeah.
Fuck.
I thought you were just going to heal again.
Okay.
Wait, yeah, that's clap. Oh, nuts.
What the f- Oh, dude. Was there another one?
Yeah.
Fuck. Okay, I'm done with that area. Did I get everything?
No.
Is there something important in there?
Just stick left
Wait, left from where?
from the bonfire.
From here.
Oh. No. But yeah, I mean, just go back to the area. Guess what that's gonna be?
Not a clip.
Do you wanna say something?
Penis. Ah, lovely. Suck my dick.
Alright, what are you gonna say?
That's not going in there, is it?
No, what are you gonna say?
I'm not gonna say anything.
Say something.
Come.
Dude, this is not legal.
Stop! Oh, why?
Hello.
This isn't even that bad a time for it to happen.
Within Dark Souls 2 Scholar of the First Sin, the Forlorn are a type of NPC invaders that can invade at any random moment. Their whole gear is completely random, making them hard to predict and defeat. This causes them to be an extreme inconvenience. Hello, Forlorn.
Okay, he has the easy weapon. He was easy last time.
Please die.
No. I no.
Alright, say something.
No, I'm not saying anything.
It's fine, I'm not gonna clip it.
Thank God.
Guys, was that 6 recons in a game? Does anyone know? I feel like that must have been.
Oh, she didn't even do it. Alright, she doesn't seem too tough. Ah. Don't clip that.
Say it. Say something.
Why do you want me to say something all the
Why
time?
does that say sex? Oh, there's sex. Alright, say something.
Sex.
Rolling off cocaine.
That's good.
Fuck, I rolled that. Bro, the fucking gosh. Yeah, I'm getting.
You have no idea how lucky you are right now. You're supposed to get backstabbed when running through this.
Really?
Like, you're supposed to. I don't know how you haven't. Jesus.
So. Okay, well, when I get safe, I feel like I'm about to get fucked. Ah! There's so many stuff I missed. What? Ah, okay, there it is.
Oh, there it was.
That backstab.
96 below.
54 minutes. Best he's ever done. He needs to go colder, longer. Well, we need a few more treatments. Do we have the full? Count on half that.
She said there's a real lot of alignment.
And
Why else was I to realize that she's right? Car 9, front bogey, left rear, right into the bears, and none of us is still hot.
you're not very sentimental, Mary.
Well,
We want her off this train. Look at me.
we walk her off this train. Alice, we are on descent.
Hello, Melanie. Have you got your woolies on for your grand exit?
No, not yet. But you're nearly ready to go.
Oh, well, in that spirit of cooperation, Alex will be the driver's seat. I think it's only fitting she drives her mother into the graveyard and don't mess with you.
Piercer gets to the breaking curve, then Alice will be all the way back here. On the power and strength will get Snowpiercer through this crazy vertical, and then at the highest peak, you have to get out and take the sled all the way.
I'm confused how to do this. Maybe I should take a look at Seeker's run again. Skips are cancer. No, they really aren't. Takes practice.
The hell energy flows from a location in their world we call the well.
Only Daddy Goggins can save us now, chat. Jump over the tower twice for 2 tattoos, get 2 tattoos. I don't care about some second tattoo. Well, I do, but, you know, compared to the tower, it's... Watching all that...
We did it!
Shit.
No, controller. Controller!
This game, you have to sit down at the bonfires, right?
That's not a clip. That's not funny. I hate you. I hate you. No, dude. Dude! I hate this. I hate this so much. This is so. Suffer there. Oh. Fuck, shit, fuck. Chicken wing, chicken wing, chicken wing.
Yo,
So.
what a cool intro.
This should have been the main game final boss, not Nashandra.
Yeah, Asho's not that.
It's not even attacking.
Most
See,
of
this
the
is
bosses
what,
are like
this is what
that.
summoning feels like right here.
Well, at least that guy will like die in 3 hits.
Yeah, true. I'm getting too cocky.
Right?
Oh, he's up.
They look like Sen masks.
What?
Sen Fortress masks. Sens.
Oh yeah, the snake guys. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know if it's linked.
Oh,
Oh!
That one I know. Dude, he has so much health. Okay, well, oh no!
No, it won't kill you, it won't kill you.
Okay, I'm imagining people don't. Wait, that doesn't even do anything.
Yeah.
Alright, healing time. Cute. People don't have like 70 in vitality, probably.
No, definitely not.
Or 50 even. Because that's the thing, leveling anything past 50, there's like no point.
Yeah.
Apparently. So it goes up very slowly after that.
You're nearly there.
I feel like I'm gonna die. Nice.
Get ready for the naked. Oh! You gotta wait for him to do something long.
I'm gonna wait for him to do the ice one.
You gotta get up close for him to do that.
Oh.
If you die, it's fine. It's worth for the naked hit. To secure the naked hit.
True. Just mate, do it. There you go.
Go, 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 go. Eek! Tyrone,
Got it.
Acho!